Hello to all. So today we will check some ports and we will use the website Open Port Check tool and I will demonstrate with Google. So Google is a server we can access just like that on the browser, so google.com. And the google.com is basically, if you can see here, it's HTTPS. So if you use HTTPS, it's basically port 443. This is the HTTPS port. So if you use, so for example, want to do internet traffic, you have to use the HTTPS or HTTP, which can also be. But HTTP is without the S, basically, without a secure. So you might not use this in many websites or in the most websites. But for example, Google has directed me to the HTTPS when I click HTTP. So, by the way, what happened here? This doesn't work, for example. So, if you want to find out what is the Google, then you can just open this website, yougetsignal.com/tools/openport, and then you can put here the Google IP. So, how did I find out the IP? You just open the CMD, ping google.com, and now you see here the IP is this one. So, I just put here this one. And port 80 is open, for example, as because port 80 has we have just seen. Port 80, by the way, is HTTP, and this one has just redirected us to the 443. So port 80 is open, and 443 is also open. But what is not open, for example, is the 22, because the 22 would be some specific port for using like a development and so on. So it's closed. And this tool is very powerful. You can just use it without having to fight with your command tool, command line. Just use this tool and you're good to go. So thank you very much, and I hope it helps. I hope it helps, and yeah, see you in the later one. Bye.